Good morning, aloha camper traveler here, and I decided I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies. I made these in this little bowl here, which I purchased at Target stores. It came with two bowls with two cool lids that snap on for $10. I thought that was a great price. And I have my little Black & Decker toaster oven right here with let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8 cookies in there. And then I made up this little pan right here with what, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 3, 6. It's pretty funny, but this is made with a cake mix. I used a Betty Crocker cake mix, and that's one package of this super moist cake mix. I bought 2, haha, because I want to make a cake, I think. Depends on how the cookies come out. And 6 ounces of chocolate chips, and those are Ghirardelli 60% cocoa. It says bitter sweet, but they're not bitter really at all. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Oh no, 3/4 cups of olive oil. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and 2 eggs. I used eggs, but you can also use just eggs if you want to make it vegan. And let's see, what else did I put in there? Oh, I put a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts to give it some more body. And then I'm baking it in the oven at 375 for I think 15 minutes should do it, or maybe a little less, but the first batch is going to be for 15 minutes. So anyway, I'll let you know how it turns out. I don't know if you can see the cookies in there, but they're doing pretty well. And enjoy your day, be happy, make cookies, and aloha, be kind to each other.